Hi, Busker909 here. That was my adaptation of 3220 Blues by Robert Johnson. That's the intro. But the neat thing about the intro, which includes a turnaround, is most of the parts you're going to find in the song are included in the intro. So it really, you can pretty well carry your way through the song with just these licks. They just change speed. So, I'm tuned to open G, G, D, G, and I'm using my favorite thing, a pencil capo on 2. Anybody can do this. It's just a couple elastics and a pencil. You don't want a full pencil because you'll bump into it, maybe like break it in half, something like that. But it works for mandolin, ukulele, classical guitar, banjo, anything with a flat neck. It doesn't work on a vintage Fender Telecaster or a vintage Fender Strat because they have a very curvy neck. They have a radius. But anything else, it works great on, and the price is right. And I've written the tab with the capo included, so my open strings, when I say open, are 2s. If you wish to try this in open G, just grab the tab at the end, it's really short, and just subtract 2 from each number and you can play it in open G, no problem. So I'm going to slide into 14 up here, and then I'm going to pinch the low string and the high string on 12. 2 more low strings. Then I'm going to move down. I'm using my second finger and my first finger to 13 and 11 and the low string twice. Both twice. Down 1 more fret. That would be 12 and 10. Down 1 more fret, just play it once. That's the first part. A little trickier than it looks. Like that. Let's see if I can go even slower. Whoops, I skipped one of them in there. But you get the idea. And of course you want to practice it so you can play a little faster. Like that. And then we immediately go into the turnaround. So we're going to go 12 over here and the high string open. And we're just going to play one of each. 12, 11, 10, 9. Like that. Then a quick open. In a perfect world, that'd be a low E. We don't have one, so we just fake it. Open, 9. And then 9 and 9, but I like to go with an upstroke. Like that. Hope you have a lot of fun with that. And the pencil capo. Don't forget to give that a try because it really works really, really, really well. Have a great day. Bye.